So, a very warm good evening to all present here. Myself, Manik Thakral, your class speaker and coordinator, and today we are here to discuss on our weekly GD topic, that is, does traveling help in generating ideas and experiential learning? So, I would like to you guys engage more about this topic and engage more ideas about this topic so that we can have a good insights and we can have a better session all around. So I would like to start. I would like to start this conversation by allowing Nan to start and give us more insights about this wonderful topic.
Good evening, everyone present here. Live with no excuses and travel with no regrets. As it's truly said, in ancient time, there was no real meaning for traveling. As in that time, there was no proper means of transportation also. As the people used to construct their own boats and travel from one place to another. But in today, as the country is developing, the traveling has greater meaning as we can travel from one place to another by exploring more of the things and by taking and gathering more of the knowledge from traveling one place to another, which can help in better development as to in our country. In earlier time, the traveling has much narrow meaning, but in today's scenario, the traveling has much broader meaning. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Nan, for your wonderful thoughts. Now, I would like to know, like, do you, someone of you know, like, there are types of traveling. I was scrolling Instagram yesterday, and I came to know that there was different types of traveling too. Luxury traveling and business traveling. Do anyone of you have some insights about that too?
Yes, Manik, I do have about a very good knowledge about the types of traveling.
Wonderful, wonderful.
As we have grown in phases like child, then adult, and then we are going ahead to the ages, we got to travel in our own meaning. Like when we were child, we were traveling with our parents, so it becomes the family tour and traveling. When we were going to a teenager, we are going to the college, we are going with the friends, with that's become the traveling. And when we are being adult, we are going to do jobs, business traveling we are going to do. And next, what we are going to do are solo travels, adventure travels, even the luxury travels if we got to earn more salaries from a big businesses and all.
Yeah.
So every traveling has their own meaning. Like for business travel, it's a meaning to just deal with other country, deal with the proposition of a other country, making them satisfy our needs, their needs. And traveling, a luxury traveling is my personal favorite because in that we got to live in big hotels, we can explore big areas, we can a luxury space we would like to travel whole around the world.
Yeah, great insight, Mega. I hope that you get luxury traveling in your life so much that you get,
Thank you, Manik.
yeah, so much that you can live a really satisfied life. So I would like to add that I think India is also gifted by traveling to us. Like Vasco da Gama was exploring the world through his ship, and he just came to India, and and at that moment of time, India was not India. It was not classified as a country. It was just, there was just like in ancient, in medieval period, there was just islands, or there was some like plains area. So at that moment of time, I think India was discovered by the Vasco da Gama, that was traveling, that India, that make India India, like that make India a nation also. So I would like to ask Sakshi about his views.
Like traveling has been viewed as a source of living. Traveling is also business, and in India, the number of travelers are increasing day by day. And in pandemic, like current pandemic, the going is the travelers have not go because of pandemic, uh, but like before the pandemic, the travelers get jobs also, and like create create on thoughts.
Yeah, so you think that that makes us more cognitive version of ourselves, so that we can, and then we can create more like insightful thoughts about ourselves and about our businesses also. So that in that way it creates more ideas also, and it creates more value to our life also.
Yes.
So yes, thank you so much, Sakshi, for your insights. So Anand, do you have some views about traveling?
लाइक ट्रैवलिंग मीन्स हमारी पर्सनल लाइफ में ना इसका बहुत मतलब महत्वपूर्ण रोल है यार, कि अगर हम ट्रैवलिंग को देखते हैं ना, कि हमारा मतलब हम अलग अलग कंट्री में जितना ज्यादा जाते हैं, वहाँ पे ट्रैवल करते हैं, वो हमको मतलब इतने एक्सपीरियंसेस देता है कि अपनी लाइफ में हम आगे बढ़ सकें। और जितने ज्यादा लोगों से मिलते हैं, जितने ज्यादा लोगों से मिलते हैं, जितना ज्यादा हम घूमते हैं, वहाँ पे सीखते हैं वो चीज, और जितने ज्यादा हमको एक्सपीरियंस मिलते हैं, हमको बेटर बनाते हैं टाइम के हिसाब से, और लाइफ को उतनी ही अच्छी तरह से हम समझ पाते हैं, और अपनी लाइफ में उतने बेटर बन पाते हैं, और उतनी ही आगे लाइफ में जाते हैं, और लाइफ में एंड तक काम भी आते हैं, और अपने बच्चे को उन स्टोरीज के बारे में बता पाते हैं।
Yeah, great. You think that you are of the view that traveling create memories,
यस
and memories make our life good. Memories in bad way, or in bad way or in right way, it makes our life good, better, and more convenient to like in have a better future.
यस
Yeah, so thank you,
Yeah.
Anand, for your insightful thoughts. Now, I would like to ask Kritika that what are her views about this topic, and how she feels that traveling is something of experiential learning also.
Actually, traveling imposes a very much crucial role in each and everybody's life. Without traveling, I think we cannot gain any type of peace of mind, because nowadays we all are suffering from a lot of stressful life due to even corona also. We are dealing with a lot of problems in our mind, and we are not able to solve that problems. These problems can be solved only by running out of box and running out of our major scenarios that we are living in our whole life. We should get a real life education instead of getting something like sitting at home and doing your work and nothing else. I think we should also not even miss any type of thing that involves traveling. We should enhance our creativity. Moreover, we should need to understand ourselves, because if we are spiritual aware, we are definitely mentally and practically also aware. And that's it. The more main thing that we get from it is that we should leave our comfort zone, and we should be must mindful towards our thoughts. These all things can be developed by only traveling. I think so that.
Yeah, so you have talked about spiritual lifestyle and adapting like good traveling lifestyles also. So I think like spiritual life is also a travel. Yeah.
Yes.
In spiritual life, we go towards the light of the god, light of our goddesses, and so we experience God's oneness with ourselves also. So that also make us a better human being and better version of ourselves, so that we can put more to the society also. So now I would like to ask Rubal about her suggestions or her views about this topic. Rubal, please turn on your mic and let us know about your thoughts also.
Travel is most important for youth because it is best way of learning, and it is best career opportunity. World, there are also some world tour opportunity if any person have some good communication skills and have some good personalities, so they can also have good opportunity in the pilot and a flight assistant also. And if any person have some if any person going to visit any country, and if he or she make any vlog and and put on this YouTube and other, so he and she also can have good career opportunities.
Yeah, that's crazy that people posting out their vacation photos and earning in millions. Great thought, Rubal. Thanks for sharing your wonderful thoughts. Now I would like to ask Jyoti that do you have some insights or something that can connect our us like IB students, international business students, to traveling also? Because I think we in our life traveling is like the backbone of our career.
Good evening, everyone. According to me, travel is also helpful for जो management students. अगर वो travel करेंगे world wide तो उन्हें तभी needs का पता क्या है, उन्हें कैसे satisfy कर सकते हैं. अगर हम ही एक कमरे में बैठे रहेंगे, हम कहीं जाएंगे नहीं, हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि लोगों की नीड्स क्या है, उनको सेटिस्फाई करना है, उन्हें क्या चाहिए क्या नहीं चाहिए. अगर हम वर्ल्ड वाइड जाएंगे, लाइक हम इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, हमें बाहर भी जाना पड़ेगा जॉब्स के लिए. हम बाहर जाएंगे, काम करेंगे, तो हमें अगर वहाँ का पता ही नहीं होगा कि वहाँ की लैंग्वेजेस क्या है, लोगों का टेस्ट क्या है, हाउ कैन वी सर्वाइव देयर. हम अपना बिजनेस कैसे ग्रो करेंगे वहाँ पे. और अगर हम मैनेजमेंट स्टूडेंट के अकॉर्डिंग हम अगर बाहर जाएंगे, ट्रैवल करेंगे, तो हमारा नेटवर्क इंक्रीज होएगा. हम लोगों से मिलेंगे, हम लोगों से मिलेंगे, बातचीत करेंगे, हमें पता चलेगा कि हाँ उनका कैसा टेस्ट है, उनका क्या प्रेफरेंसेस है उनकी.
So
दैट्स ऑल.
yeah, thank you for wonderful suggestions, Jyoti. I think I have got a good insight कि international business students के लिए काफी important हो जाता है traveling, because as we are international people, as we are people who had to have knowledge about the foreign exchanges, the people sitting around the globe. We should get some business insight, financial insights, and marketing insights too, because business includes marketing and finance. So that's the main insight I think that I will take away from this group discussion, and I think many of us will get an open-eyed of this thought that Jyoti has said in the conversation. Now I would like to request Jitendra to share his wonderful thoughts.
Yes, Manik, is I am audible?
Yeah, you are audible. Jitendra, please continue.
As we all can see that in ancient time, when, as you told, that Vasco da Gama invented our country and introduced ourselves to the world. So it all through the traveling, because, and we after this we can see that the many business companies like English, Portuguese, Dutch came to our country and they started business. So they get idea from that traveling purpose that we can go there and we can start business there. And after that we can see that tea, as we all consume tea, it also comes from the Europe. English introduced this first in our country.
Okay.
So these all things are applicable in this environment also, as we can see that we are more modernized than that of time. But this all these conditions are applicable here. We can travel worldwide and we can understand the needs, the taste, the products which they need, the global people. So we can use these information by we can use this information to expand our business globally as a management student.
Yeah, great thought, wonderful thought, Jitendra. I think that has given us more insight about as a management student also, not as international business student, as a management student also, we had good insights about we have to be aware about the traveling, because at time to time we need to adapt new technologies also. Like in America there's NFTs around, like, so if we can't travel the world, we just look at the traveling online. We can travel online also. So do
Yeah, we
anyone
can travel. Yeah, we can travel online also, but
Yeah.
if we travel physically, then we get the exact idea where we visit. Like, if take example, if we visit to the Himalayan side, so we
Yeah.
can take the example of the Ayurvedic things, because as in today's era, there are some deficiency of the energy and many more things. So people are attracting to the Ayurvedic things. So we
Yeah.
can take the idea of Ayurvedic things from that side. So we can also launch their our products, like Dabur has launched Ayurvedic thing, Patanjali. So they are very big brands in
Yeah.
our country today.
So like we in traveling we need to get our senses involved also. And
Yes, yes.
yeah, and our senses will involve when we are there at physically, we are there at physical level. Online travel is good in some way, but physical travel is the most important thing that will make us more exposureable towards the world, and that will make us a better businessman also.
Yes, yes, Manik. In as in online travel, we can only see the places.
Yeah.
But if we physically travel, then we can feel that place. You know.
Yeah. So I think I've got so much excited about this traveling thing. Like I think we all should go somewhere to travel. Probably like next week or so. We should have a good traveling plan, and so that we can learn more things about.
Yes, you are right, Manik.
Yeah, yeah,
And I think that the world is a book who still not travel, did not read a page as well. And
yeah,
I think it's a major thing. Travel does well. We travel not escape life, but love to enjoy adventurous things.
yeah,
It
yeah, yeah,
it is just that someday I'm going to travel the world. We all need that. We need a world tour. Everybody wants a world tour. In movies, we all already say that uh, that I don't want to spend whole life in a one city. I want
yeah,
to go out and explore the world. And
yeah,
I think by traveling we can get all these things. We should inspire us to make us more vulnerable, and we should feel comfortable in all
yeah,
the surroundings and languages, so that we
yeah.
can able to enjoy this materialistic world and make us more happier.
Yeah. That's making me more and more excited to travel. That's
Yes.
this GD is making me more excited about traveling, guys. That's wonderful. I'm getting a rush in my mind to travel. So now we would like to conclude this session, and I would like any one of you can conclude this session, because we have got so much of thoughts. Like if I have to conclude, I'll get an hour to conclude this session. So please, any one of you, I'll ask Nan that if she feels comfortable, and if she has his good views about this conversation, she can conclude the session, and will will be seeing off by then.
Yeah. Anyone has truly said that people do not take to take people to go somewhere.
Yeah.
At last, I would like to conclude that traveling is perfect entertainment for a person of any age. In traveling, any age does not matter. You are old, young, childish. It's totally upon to you.
Yeah.
And by traveling, we got many of the exposure. As India is a developing country, we can travel all over the world and help our country. A major contribution for the developing of the country. As by going anywhere in the world, you came to know about various currencies, various foods, even various knowledge.
Yeah.
At last, I would like to conclude that everyone has to go for a solo travel,
Yeah.
any of the travel that you like, even.
Yeah. Solo travel and group travels also, because I think
Yeah, as
we all
well.
should get a good trip around in our vacations, or when our semesters ends. So we'll have a good trip around. And thank you all for getting on to this wonderful session, this insightful session. I'm really happy about this session. So thank you all. I'll signing off. Thank you all.